Hey guys, what's up? This is Nayan from Barrack, and today we are gonna do the first mobile phone review, and it's gonna be the LG Optimus 3D. And I've just removed all the components of the phone. That's the battery. It's got a battery of 1500 milliamps, and the best part of this battery is it claims to give 450 hours of standby, and that's all idealistic, guys. So you're not gonna get that kind of standby ever. And it also promises to give 13 hours of talk time on 2G and 9 hours on 3G, which is again idealistic. So just don't go on the values. It all depends upon the usage of your phone, how much you use it, the way you use it. You're using live wallpapers, it might get the battery to drain much faster. You play more games, the battery will get drained much faster. So it all depends on your use. And this is the phone, guys. It's quite thick. It's 168 grams, and it's got just let me autofocus. Okay, there you go. One second. Yeah, so it's got this 4.3-inch LCD screen, and it's capacitive, and it's got a micro USB slot over here, and for your charging and mobile to PC connection. There's a HDMI slot whereby you can connect your LG for this phone to the your HD TV, and I've removed the battery. So this is the SIM card slot, and these are two cameras. The two cameras are for the 3D shooting, and there's this LED flash. Both the cameras are 5 megapixel, and there's this VGA camera on the top, and there's this volume buttons, and there's this four touch sensitive keys buttons, you can see, and this is the back part of the phone. So let's switch on the phone, guys. Okay, so the phone is up, and let's just boot it up. So let it boot up, and let's talk about its display. By that time, it's got a 480 by 800 pixels display, and it uses Gorilla Glass, and I again told you it's a 3D LCD screen. That means it can deliver 3D content on the mobile phone. And the very good thing I liked about this phone was the 3D part. The rest is all similar to all the Android phones, but this phone really delivers good 3D content. I'll show you that in the latter part of the tutorial. Okay, the phone is booted up, and that was quite a fast boot up. And I'm currently talk about the OS. It's running Android 2.2.2, and it's got a CPU of 1 gigahertz, and it's a Cortex A9 processor, and it's got a dual core engine inside it. So it should be really fast, and it should give you much better output. And you can see that because I'm running a live wallpaper on my Android phone, and usually all the Android phones hang with the live wallpaper, but this is not hanging, so it's giving us quite a good uh, performance. And I've got quite a lot of widgets also, and there's a lot to show in this phone. I'm gonna go step by step. So that was the OS and the CPU part. Now talking about the sensors, it's got accelerometer, proximity sensor, and it's even got a gyro sensor. And the good thing of this phone is its screen. So because of the screen, because of the screen, it gives us a much better keyboard for typing. It's widely spaced, and you can have good typing and all that stuff. You can type it very easily and very fast, and that's really amazing. And when I tilt it to the landscape position, it gives me much wider spacing, and that's just because of the screen size. That's 4.3 inch. That's very huge, guys. And that was the keyboard. And talking about the camera now, the camera is really amazing. And I'm not talking about the 2D camera, I'm talking about the 3D camera. First, let's talk about the 2D camera and its clarity and photos. It takes quite crisp photos in daylight and even in the night, but it fails to deliver the quality in the zoom, which iPhone 4 and iPhone 4S delivers very well, and it fails to deliver that part. And the video shooting in 2D, that is 1080p, that's also good but not up to the par. I would say it's not so awesome clarity. And but what this phone surprises me is the 3D part. The 3D camera is really amazing. It gives us a very good 3D video, and I've tested it on my Samsung 8 series smart TV, and it gives out proper 3D content where you can have, if you shoot the video properly, you will get it properly in your eyes or something like that. You're having something thrown into the camera, and it will actually come into your eyes when you see through the 3D glasses. I've switched on the 3D camera now. I don't know whether you will be able to see there's a difference on the screen. You might not be able to notice it on the video, but it is actually there's a huge difference on the screen. So the 3D content which it shoots is really amazing, and 3D it shoots at 30 frames per second, 720p. 2D can be shot till 1080p and 30 frames per second. Now let's talk about the games. It delivers quite brilliant graphics. I'll just show you Angry Birds. That's the only game I'm having at the moment. Okay, so it started. Let's show you a part of the game. Okay, so actually that's you can see that the game is running pretty well. It's not hanging, and there are certain Android phones which cannot run even Angry Birds properly. So it's pretty good. And I'll get back with this graphics thing later on when I'll put some high graphic games like made by Gameloft or EA Sports, something like that. And now talking about the 3D part. I told you it delivers pretty good 3D content. So let's go to the 3D gallery, and it actually turns the gallery into a 3D part way, and it can be strainful to your eyes, and it also gives a notice that stop viewing it if your eyes are strained. I'm having only one video at the moment, so I can't show you much of this thing, but it's really 3D, and it screws your eyes many times. And another thing I wanted to show was the 3D game. That's Gulliver Travels, and it's really 3D, guys. It screws your eyes. You can just check that out. It's actually giving that effect, and when you look into the phone with your naked eyes, like it strains your eyes highly, and it's not so good for your eyes, but it gives out much very good effects. I'll just show you. I would like to share those effects with you guys. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, there it goes. That's in 3D, guys, and I'm definitely sure you guys might not be able to understand the actual 3D effect, and that's basically because you're not directly looking into the phone, but it delivers pretty good 3D effect, guys. I just wanted to show that part to you guys. So I don't know, it's not working so well. I'll try it out something later to show you guys about this 3D effect, and that's basically it with this performance thing. One last thing, guys, I just forgot this part, that is the browser part, and I even forgot the music department. There's quite a lot of stuff that I forgot. Let's talk about the browser performance. I'm on my website, that's techbarrack.com, and it's the mobile version. Let's go to the full version. Okay, and it delivers it pretty fast. It's quite fast for a mobile also. and I can zoom in, and that's pretty good, guys. The mobile browsing is good, and all this is just possible just because of the 4.3-inch screen that LG is providing you guys. But it's not very easy to carry this phone everywhere. It's pretty huge. And the music department, the sound quality is very good and it's very loud. I can just play one song for you guys. It's Sadda Haq from Rockstar. Let's increase the volume for you guys. Okay. So that's actually very loud. That was the music, guys. And there's a bit cracking in the voice when you play music at a very high volume, but still it delivers very good sound quality. That was the music department, and the phone and all that stuff is all similar. It's just same as the other Android, so I didn't discuss about it. And that was basically it with this tutorial, guys. I hope review, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and visit techbarrack.com.